Ever wish you had a super smart assistant right in your pocket that could help with, well, everything? Thinking face whether it's drafting a quick email, brainstorming a new project, or just answering a random question, Gemini is here to make your life easier. This isn't your average chatbot, it's a conversational AI designed to understand context and integrate with your world. And today, we're going to dive into how you can use the Gemini mobile app to unlock its full potential. Getting started. First, you'll need the app. It's available for both Android and iOS devices. You can find it on the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you've downloaded it, sign in with your Google account. If you have an Android, you can even set Gemini as your default digital assistant, replacing Google Assistant. This means you can activate it with a simple "Hey Google" or by pressing your phone's power button. Speaking ahead. How to use Gemini. There are a few ways to interact with Gemini. The most straightforward is by typing your prompt in the text box. But that's just the start. Voice prompts, tap the microphone icon and speak your question. This is great for brainstorming on the go or when your hands are busy. Image analysis, use the camera or upload an image from your gallery. You can then ask Gemini questions about the content of the image. For example, snap a photo of a plant and ask, "What kind of plant is this?" or take a picture of a diagram and ask for a summary. Gemini Live, this is where things get really cool. Tap the live icon for a real-time, back-and-forth conversation. You can brainstorm ideas out loud, practice for an interview, or talk through a complex topic. You can even interrupt Gemini mid-response, it'll keep up with you. Next level features. Gemini isn't just about simple Q&A. Its ability to connect with other Google apps is a game changer. Rocket. Integrations. With extensions enabled, Gemini can tap into your Gmail, Google Maps, and YouTube. You can ask it to summarize recent emails, find a specific location, or even get a rundown of a YouTube video without leaving the app. Deep research. For complex topics, Gemini can conduct in-depth research across hundreds of sources and provide a comprehensive, cited report. Content creation. From drafting a social media post to generating a stunning image from a text prompt, Gemini is a powerful creative partner. Just describe what you want and watch it come to life. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.